Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to use silken tofu and porridge oats to make delicious and wholesome vegan burgers. You can serve them in buns or in a plate with fries or baked potatoes. To begin with, place a strainer over a bowl, remove the tofu block from the packaging and leave it to drain. In the meantime, prepare the ingredients for the burger mixture. Finely chop one small red onion, grate a carrot, and chop a handful of parsley leaves. Transfer the tofu to a large mixing bowl and mash it with a fork. Add the onion, carrot, and parsley and mix well with a spoon. Then, stir in 180 grams of porridge oats, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of wholemeal flour. Finally, add seasoning, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of peri-peri hot sauce, and mix everything well. Taste, adjust seasoning if necessary, and stir once more. Next, lightly dust a chopping board or working surface with flour, as well as a large plate. Then, spray your hands with cooking spray so that the tofu mixture doesn't stick so much to your hands when making the burgers. Turn out the mixture onto your working surface and divide it into 2 portions, and then each portion into 3 even-sized balls, and flatten each ball into 6 burger patties with approximately 10 centimeters in diameter and 1.5 centimeters thick. Next, pour enough oil into a large frying pan to cover the base, and over a medium-high heat, fry the burgers for about 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. If they color too quickly, just reduce the heat a little. Carefully remove the burgers from the pan into a plate with 2 or 3 layers of kitchen paper to drain. And that's it. Serve the burgers on a bun with your favorite sauces and ingredients, or if you prefer, in a plate without a bun. You can find the full recipe below. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.